Right now, I am going to brew the Espresso State of Mind Brandy Wine collab Kenya. This is brand new, we just got this in. I'm going to be using a Baratza Virtuoso grinder at about, I would say 25 clicks as far as grind size. I'm using a fellow stack kettle at 200 degrees. Our coffee is roasted a little bit on the lighter side, so I figure it's better to use hotter water. I'm gonna be brewing this with a Aeropress, and I'm gonna be using the recipe of the 2019 European Aeropress champion, Wendelien Van Bunnik. And yeah, so here we go. First off, I'm gonna start with 30 grams of coffee. Oops. Here we go. And that should just about do it. Boom. That should just about do it. Okay. So I'm gonna put this in the grinder. I got my water preheated, and I have my Aeropress filter pre-wet. So we're about ready to go. That's what that should look like. And for this method, we're gonna be using an inverted Aeropress. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my plunger in here and set that to the number 4. Okay. And I'm gonna set my Aeropress here. I don't know if you can see the numbers there. But I'm gonna be using 100 grams of water with my 30 grams of coffee. Okay, I'm gonna level out the coffee just a little bit. Okay, and here we go. So, nice and even, nice and steady. I'm gonna get to 100 grams. Here we go. And with a little Aeropress paddle, we are going to stir, and we are going to do this for about 20 seconds. It's 10 seconds. And 20, okay. Now we're going to close our Aeropress, and we're gonna release a little bit of that extra air, and now we're gonna wait until the timer hits 1 minute. Make sure that you have your kettle on hold so as to not lose temperature on your water. You're gonna want to have the same temperature for this next segment. Okay, we're almost ready for the flip. So I'm gonna set this aside. Actually, put our container, do the flip and plunge. Now we are going to add 120 grams of water on top of what would be our concentrate that we just made. Boom. And that should do it. Cool. So let's enjoy the coffee. Yeah, that's it. So.
Anything else? No. That's it.
Well done, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Crush it.
Thanks, man.
Definitely do.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so.